Elk Island Travel Guide. Elk Island National Park, nestled in the Beaver Hills Biosphere and only 50 minutes from downtown Edmonton, offers unique experiences that will stay with you long after you are picnickers. Elk Island National Park sits within the Beaver Hills Dark Sky Preserve, providing ideal conditions for capture and even at night, providing possibilities for stargazing and sightings of the stunning northern lights. Elk Island Attractions. 1. Beaver Pond Trail. After trappers totally removed beavers from the area by the mid-1800s, park staff successfully restored them into the park in the 1940s. Evidence of beaver activity near the trailhead distinguishes this trail. Lodges that have become engulfed in vegetation have been abandoned. This trail's open aspen forest and sedge meadows are great for bird watching in the summer and watching large mammals graze in the winter. 2. Shirley Lake Trail. Dr. Love, an early superintendent, named Shirley Lake after his daughter. The trail's multiple little lakes and ponds make it perfect for seeing nesting ducks. The trail also passes through meadows where elusive elk can be seen on occasion, especially at dawn and night. 3. Beaver Hills Dark Sky Preserve. Beaver Hills Dark Sky Preserve is a place where you can go to see the stars. Elk Island National Park and the Cooking Lake Blackfoot Provincial Recreation Area are also part of this 300 square kilometer dark sky sanctuary just east of Edmonton. The preserve improves the vision of the night sky by limiting artificial light. You'll notice that the night sky shines brighter in Beaver Hills, whether you're stargazing around the campfire or attending the preserve's annual star party in September. 4. Moss Lake Trail. The trailhead parking area still has the original 1906 south border. Along this trail, the flora composition changes on a regular basis due to the sandy soil. This cross-country ski trail is particularly difficult due to the high number of little sloping hills. 5. Shoreline Trail 6 km return. The golf course parking lot or the administration road are both good places to start this paved walk that follows the ancient road around Astoden Lake. Partway down the walk, there is a tiny picnic place called Beaver Bay. Canada geese, American white pelicans, red-necked grebes, and other beautiful waterfowl can be seen in the little bays along the beach. 6. Trail of the Hayburger. Hayburger Trail is named after a family who lived in the park until the 1930s and owned a homestead there. The trail passes through a bog of black spruce, where you can see boreal birds and animals. The trail also passes through white aspen groves and meadows, which are the bison's favorite habitat. Keep on the trail because several of the vast meadows have hidden areas of quicksand. 7. Wood Bison Trail. In 1947, the park was expanded to include land south of Highway 16. Since 1963, this region has been home to wood bison, North America's biggest mammal. Moose, elk, deer, and a variety of small creatures and birds coexist with the bison in this area. 8. Tawayik Lake Trail. The Cree term for halfway is Tawayik. Tawayik Lake was a break stop halfway between the Beaver Hills hunting campsites and Fort Edmonton. In the summer, the narrows between Tawayik Lake and Little Tawayik Lake are inaccessible, so hikers must retrace the same way they came. A traditional aspen parkland may be found in the Narrows area, which features grasslands and small stands of aspen. 9. Simmons Trail. Ellsworth, Simmons in 1906, was one of 5 men responsible for the park's development. The path starts at the Shirley Lake trailhead and winds its way across rolling hills and aspen groves. A few open places, especially after dusk, provide opportunities to observe beavers and muskrats in activity. This cross-country ski trail is short yet difficult. 10. Living Waters Boardwalk. The Astoden Interpretive Center is the starting point for this 150-meter floating boardwalk that leads to a lakeside marsh. For families with little children, this short trail is great. It provides an up-close look at pond life as well as spectacular views of Astoden Lake and surrounding islands. Lastly, the Lakeview Trail. The Lakeview Trail is a popular hiking route in the area. The trailhead can be reached by walking over the little hill near the lake from the parking lot at the boat launch. This trail provides a panoramic view of Astoden Lake and highlights the contrast between the aspen woodland and the black spruce bog. Lodges, dams, and beaver activity can be viewed at 2 beaver ponds along the walk. Where to stay in Elk Island. 1. The Canada Inn's Fort Saskatchewan. 2. Lakeview Inns and Suites. 3. The Elk Island Retreat. 4. Comfort Inns and Suites. 5. Hampton Inn by Hilton Fort Saskatchewan. 6. Super 8 Fort Saskatchewan. 7. Oyster Lake Campground. And lastly the Cabin Retreat near Elk Island National Park. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.